What's going on, everybody? Erjan with Suds to Success podcast, back again with another quick tip video. This one's going to be a little bit different. We're showing you what to do before either a training, a vacation, or holiday, things like that, where you're not going to be in the shop for a couple days at a time. So here's a little list. I know my handwriting, just ignore that. It's terrible. But we're going to go, these are kind of the basics everybody knows, and then these are two that I was put on, and it's a game changer. So real quick, we're going to run down the list. There's a lot to go through. So clean the floors. Clean the floors. I don't know how, we detail cars, we're doing interiors, there's crumbs everywhere. We got a lot going on. You want to make sure when you come in, there's no ants, there's no rat infestation, and just bugs and stuff like that. So cleaning the floors and focusing on the corners. The corners are a lot, like for us, what we do, we leaf blow the shop all the time. The corners get really, really dirty, and it's not an everyday thing. But right before we're about to leave, we're gonna do the corners and make sure everything else is good. Next, hopefully is obvious, emptying out all the garbage. We have 2 garbage bins. We always make sure those are empty. Smells, mold, bugs, fruit flies, all those things. Cleaning out shop vacs. I low-key think this is underrated just because if you are like what we do shop vac. We have a shop vac that is wet and dry, so we do everything with that. If you leave that in there with all the dirt and the crumbs and all the water that you suck up on there, it's gonna create a really bad smell, especially not using it every day, and it has that chance to kind of grow some new things in there. Drain out the air compressor. Low-key and underrated one again. Make sure your air compressor is drained if you're not doing it every day, which you should be. That's just common practice. Unplug anything not important. If you pay the bills, you probably know this one. Unplugging anything not important just reduces the risk for havoc, for something going wrong, and just makes you stress-free when you're on your a couple days away. Setting the AC and the heat. Don't put it to working temperatures. You're not gonna be in here. Why is it gonna be 70 degrees? If you put it down, knock it down 5%, whatever, 65, something where you're not super using the utilities, it'll be good. Cleaning the tools and equipment. This is kind of just for when you come back and you actually start using it, you're not gonna be dreading, oh, I gotta go back to work in the dirty tools and dirty equipment. You come back to a nice, clean, fresh shop. And then now we got turn off the water and dry out all the water. This one is a Yusuf tip. The wash buckets that we use for wheels, for the wash bucket, I never empty it out all the time, and he always on me about it. He's like, yo, you gotta do this, you gotta do this. So emptying those out, making sure that there's no still water. We all know how bad that could be. Lock up all the windows and doors, hopefully that's obvious. No open food or drink. If you're an energy drink guy, coffee guy, you like to eat at the shop, just make sure all of them are closed up or thrown out if you're not gonna eat them. Cameras and security system. I hope those you have. I don't know. I'm just gonna leave it at that. We're just gonna leave it at that. If you don't have those yet, I don't know what you're doing. The 2 underrated ones. Update your Google listing and then put a sign on the main entrance. Also, I don't have it up there, but update your voicemail as well. Those are some things that Andrew told me that really kind of changed the game when you're away for a couple days. Updating the Google listing, that's the first thing people are gonna see. Oh, okay, now they're not gonna make out the drive. Some people, believe it or not, will make the drive. They're gonna say, oh, I'm just gonna try my luck. That's where the sign comes. It's gonna be on your door at the main entrance. They're not gonna be like, oh, I came to this place and it was closed. Now you got that, okay, well, our Google was updated. We had a sign on the main door. What more could we ask for? The voicemail. The voicemail, they're gonna keep calling you, where the heck is this guy? Where the heck is this girl? Now it's in your voicemail. You have 3 ways of letting that customer know that, hey, we're not here, come back another day, or give us a call another day, and just things like that. So all of these put together, you come back to a nice clean shop, you never run into any issues, and then you don't piss off any customers, saying you're open when you're not really open. If you like this quick tip video, please like it and subscribe, and comment down below what you'd like to see in our next quick tip video. And as always, take care, everybody.